Now let's start with the commands. The first command, the very most command to check it out, the version of the Docker. Just check it out. Docker version, Docker space, double hyphen, then versions. Okay, then you click yourself, click the enter it. You can see the version name as 19.03.11. Okay, if you have used the old version, maybe it will show you the 17 point something, because after 17.05, the next version came as your 19.03. Let's move to the next command, docker space pull. You have to give space. You have to write Ubuntu. This Ubuntu is nothing but this already is a publicly available image present inside your Docker repository. And how to go to this Docker repository? We can go through our hub.docker.com. And inside that, all the Docker repository will be present. So what I did currently is one image name. The name of the image is Ubuntu. I have just pulled it out from the Docker hub. When it has been pulled out, you can see the it has been pulled from the library, and you can see all the pull completed. And I have pulled my Ubuntu because I'm going to utilize this Ubuntu. Now let's run this. You have to write docker run, docker space run space hyphen it space hyphen d space. As we have already given the, we have already pulled the image Ubuntu. Let's write it as Ubuntu. Just click, enter. Now you can see you are getting one email, container ID, and that container ID has been created. So normally this run command will use to create the container inside your image. Now let's move towards the next command, that is docker space ps. So ps command used to show you all the process is going on currently. Running containers, mostly it will be dependent on the running containers. There is a difference between the total number of containers and currently running the containers. Here you can see it is showing all the containers. Currently you can see the container ID image command, and only one container is running currently, that is Ubuntu, which has been pulled up, and it has been created 33 seconds ago. And these things will be your container ID. Next, let's move towards our next command. One more command is there, docker space ps hyphen a. So if you are going to write this a means it will give you the total number of commands. As I have only pulled one image, so it is going to show only one image. We will be creating more image and will be showing you how all the commands at a time. Now next is execution part, docker, right? Docker space execute exec space minus it space. You have to copy the container ID, copy this, paste it, the container ID, then space, you have to write bash, then enter. Now you can see we have moved inside the container. Now if you want to come out of this container, you have to write exit, exit. Now next command will be your kill command. If you want to stop any of the container immediately from the execution site, then you have to use the docker kill. There is a difference between docker kill and docker stop. And the docker stop actually will give the container to shut down it very gracefully. But if in the case, if you want to kill the container, you have to use docker kill. So we will be showing you how the docker kill will be working out. Docker kill space the container ID, copy and paste, space, then paste the container ID, enter. Now you can see the current container has been killed out. So now if you want to see really my image is there or not, you can write docker execute exec space -it. Just paste the same container. Let's see how it is. Just we want to see what is happening here. Paste it, then space bash. You can see the error is happening as the container is already killed out. So we are getting the error. This container is not present. Now let's repeat the same process because we want to use this Ubuntu image. So we are going to create the same container again. I think you people can write it. Already it has been, I have been already explained you all. Please go through the same procedure quickly because we are running out of time. Docker pull, we are Ubuntu. So we have pulled out the Ubuntu image from the repository. Then you have to run the image, docker space run space -it. You can say it as hyphen also, no issues. Space -d, then space Ubuntu, enter. Now you can see Ubuntu container started running. If I will show you, we will be showing you one more container ID, which is already been present in the repository. If you want to check how many images, how many images containers are present inside your repository, you can go to hub.docker.com. You can see all the images present over there. Next is docker pull hello world. You can see this hello world has been pulled out. So now if you want to see the images, how many images, we have to write the command docker space image, enter. You can see my inside my two repository, images are present, Ubuntu and hello world, and it has been tagged as latest. You can see the image ID and it has been created. These things has been created already, as I told you that. Next we are going to show you, we can use clear command.